Oh my gosh, guys, is the market just crashing or what? Is this ever going to stop bleeding? I can only imagine the emotions, but I will say this, guys. This has been the best market day I have ever seen doing this one strategy. I'm going to show you it. I can't hold it back anymore. It is absolutely nuts. It's crazy. If you guys love day trading, if you guys don't have a lot of money, and you guys are trying to perfect options, I'm your guy. I'm going to show you guys how to make massive money even in the bloody days like today. I love days like this. It doesn't matter if it's super green or super bloody, you're going to make massive money. I'm going to go over things. I have a Discord. You're more than welcome to join. If not, you can watch the video, but I'm here to show you guys. There's live results. I do my RTK live stream. You can join in, but I'm going to show you guys the real life results that I did today. That way you can see, and the members can testify. We did 3 trades today. Netflix, BA, and IWM, all recorded for 16, 16, and 20%. And the best thing about these trades, I'm a very busy guy. I have to, get in and get out. I like to do my trades around 10%, or 10-minute trades. So looking at this thing, we are in an extremely high win ratio. And I'll show you guys why this win ratio is so extremely high, probably 98% win ratio, and you're getting massive returns at the same time. So here's the reason why is we're using the band strategy. We're trying to predict, okay, a lot of retail traders see price go up, they think it, they follow it and they go calls. They think that's the direction of the change. But honestly, when we hit this ATR4, it gets extremely risky. And a lot of the times what happens is it goes plummeting down. Does it have to plummet down like that? No, it can hit the EMA 20 and head back up. And that's what we look for. We look for those gains at the EMA 10 and 5 for sure. On the 5-minute 20 is kind of more of a home run hit, but this thing has just went plummeting down. So let's go over the trades that we went over, and I'll show you guys. I don't care if the market's bloody. Everyone's complaining. I'm freaking ecstatic. This is awesome, man. I mean, we need more days like. I mean, people are like, we can't afford, Apple to go down on earnings today. I was like, don't worry, we're gonna make money today. It is crazy, but I want to show you guys this. I want you guys on the hype train because I promise you, you guys are gonna be laughing and smiling and having beers and treating your loved ones to steak dinners doing this one strategy. And I mean it with all my heart. And I want you all to stay humble and all that. This is a blessing. It took me a while to figure this out. So here was Netflix today. As you can see, we hit the ATR4. We don't get in right away. There's other things we do. In this strategy, we wait for a touch of the EMA 5. Or, I mean, we look for a touch of the EMA 5 and the 10 for the 5-minute. That is our goal. And you might think, well, how are you making 20, 30, 40% on these gains here? This was an easy alert right in here. This is where I took the trade right in here. And I'm going to show you on my day trade alerts, which you're more than welcome to join. We took Netflix puts at 9:57 a.m. And I got a starter. I filled some 1.1s. And we filled at 1.30. And it went all the way to 1.50s or something. And that was a 10:06. So 9:57 to 10:06, you do the math, that is roughly about 9 minutes of trading, guys. So that's really awesome. So 9:57, we're right around in this candle here. We're way extended, and we knew we were going to get a pullback, and it went way down. I mean, yes, it could have been like a 500,000% day today. But, we knew that, Netflix was going up, the market was bad, and Netflix kind of does that and it goes down. So, but we weren't basing the trade just on the 5-minute. I'm going to show you guys the secret. I just wanted to let you guys know, we first look for the 5-minute near the ATR4, check mark. The next thing we look for some time distance. We want to make sure there's some distance in these bands. We don't get in right away. Let the market do its things. We like to get close to 10 o'clock. And then the main thing is we want to draw our trend channel. What is our trend channel showing? And that is our trend channel rated now, and you can kind of see where we're at here. We try to get close to the upper trend, but the most important thing to do to get the most precise entry is by using that 5-minute trend channel and use the 1-minute with it. And look as where we bought these puts. You can probably clearly see we got the puts down on this spike right in here coming down. Because the one thing I want to show you guys, anything that don't touch the EMA 20 on the 1-minute, which is this blue band, is the only time distance I do on this strategy. So we have 9:30, we touched it. We can physically see the EMA 20. You guys see that? Algo's hit it. There was no touch all the way till 10:07. Anything that don't touch it in 30 to 40 minutes of time frame is extremely long. So we look for that touch, and that's how we were able to make fast money because price went swiftly to that. So I show you guys this because it's the 5 minute, the 1 minute day trading strategy that works in any market. Red, green, it does not matter. You are going to make money. All right, that's all you need to know. So we got in around when we're up above this middle channel here, closer to this upper channel here, and we're just starting to accumulate. I would have accumulated way more if it went way up in here at this upper trend channel or try to broke it. But you know, I didn't want to be greedy. I want to hurry up and get in because this was one of the best setups. And as you can see, we knew the direction. The direction was totally down, and it just kept plummeting and plummeting and plummeting, guys. What an awesome trade. Let's go over the next one, guys. I mean, BA, another fabulous trade today, guys. BA, as you can see, right in here was hugging it just like Netflix. And as you can see, we draw our trend channel. And I want to see the alerts we did in the day trade. So day trade alerts, we did BA, buying BA calls here. We got it at 150. I did it in the live stream. I showed it. So selling 150 to 1.78. I alerted in the live stream. I remember this one. And this was the screenshot I gave. So right in here was a nice gain. This was right at 1034. So you can look at 1034. We got the trade on this single green candle alone, no joke, made us around 20% gains. And that's the power of day trading, is knowing the reversions to the mean, knowing when price, to get in and get out, and how fast these things can go. So like I said, the 5 minute is harder to trade. So we look at the 1 minute. 5 minute gives us the confirmation. Remember, 5 minute gives us confirmation. The 1 minute gives us when to go in. And as you can see right in here, the trade was made 1034. So we were way over here. I think we were doing, yeah. The reason why we took this trade is because we didn't have another EMA 20 touch for a long time. So we took it close to, we didn't have all that data. We would have had this much. And I actually shortened the channel, I believe. You gotta like work with what you have. Know how to properly use the trend channels. If it doesn't look right and the trend channel is well below the ATR4 in this green band, it's probably not going to hit there. So look at the recent high. Look at what makes sense. The recent high is this. So we draw our trend channel from the recent high. Is you can very well see that we have respected. We have a support here, resistance, support, resistance, support, and eventually we're going to break out of this trend channel. And that's what we got here on BA. We had a swift reaction to the EMA 20, and we took the trade down in here below the middle channel here for an entry, and it went plummeting up. Very nice trade. This was awesome, guys. And as you can see for BA, we actually had more of a move we could have made. As you can see, it can only hug it so long, and it had this nice swift move up in here. Anyone that could have got that. But this candle alone, that's all we needed, guys. 20%, bing, bang, bag a boom. All right, next trade. It's just awesome, guys, because I'm telling you guys, I see a lot of complaining in the market. It does not matter. You don't need that big moves. We're using options. And as you can see, when you look in my alerts, you might be like, well, what options are you doing to make this massive money? BA option, I'll give you the exact contract. It expires on 8:02. That was the next day. Today is 8:01. You see the premium, the thing, and I tell you guys, even in my live stream, I go over live streams. I'll put the link down in the description if you want to join, and you can see exactly what I'm doing, exactly in real time on how we make these money fast, and fast, because we got things to do. We got families to take care of. We got to get in these. I call it the 10-minute trading strategy. You get in 10 minutes, you don't hold longer than 20 minutes usually, and you're out. You're making 10 to 20% gains. So IWM, I really liked it. It had that beautiful 5 minute touching the ATR4. It started touching it right in here. I remember we got this trade. Let's use the 1 minute. I can probably tell you guys right where we got it. It was on this explosive move up right in here. Or actually, it might have been just this move up here. But as you can see, we had this trend channel here. We haven't hit the EMA 20, just like how I traded BA. This blue band hasn't got touched, and we look for that explosive move. But we want to make sure we're close to the bottom trend channel. We're close to the ATR4, and that's really what we got here. We had this big move down. We were under this middle channel here. So that's what helped. We didn't have all these candles, so we'll just do what we see. I also probably did the most recent high, maybe. so we can get more of an accurate data, and that's what I did. So if it's too long of a channel, shorten it out and do what makes sense. And as you can see, we got close to it, and we had this move up to the MA20. Beautiful trade, but remember, we're trading based on what? Are we getting confirmation on the 5-minute? Yes. We've been tugging this ATR4. It looks due for a bounce. And as you can see, look at this bounce right in here. We had absolute banger of a trade. You can only have this momentum down for so long before you had these candles here. And as you can see, you had this nice little volatility up. Beautiful trade, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. And that's just 3 trades. You're gonna trade lots of more trades. But I want to show you guys in the hype. When the market is bloody, what are you gonna do? Are you just gonna be like depressed and you can't trade anything? You can't figure out anything? Do the day trading strategy. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna make you guys millionaires. And over time, you guys are going to quit your 9-to-5 jobs. It's very possible. It's something that can be very well done. And for an all-time low cost, it's only $12 a month. And then you might be a ways out of your mind. You've seen the journal. You've seen the results. I do not lose very often. I lost one way back in July 2nd, and it's been on a constant win streak. It's that loss right there was my fault. It actually should have been a win because I had over 20% gains. I tried to be a little greedy. Now I'm only taking 10 to 20%, in, out, and we're making tons of money. Guys, let's get another, it doesn't matter about the market. Everyone's, trying to understand the fundamentals and all the things. Understand the technicals with this option strategy. We're doing short-term options using the band strategy, 5-minute, 1-minute strategy. We know corrections to the EMA 5, 10, and 20. We know price has to revert to the 5, the 10, and the 20. And these are the movements we love to get, guys, and we're going to constantly get it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my day trading strategy. This is the strategy that will make you guys consistently profitable and have you guys high returns. Anybody that says I don't have enough money to trade, you can literally do this with $200 and probably grow that to $1,000 in a couple weeks. I guarantee it, and you guys are going to love it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you got a brief overview. There's so much more to know. I want you guys to watch as much videos about this. I have a day trading education. You guys got to join the live streams. You got to join the live streams. A lot of people said it helps a lot. It makes you understand more confidence, more trades you see go up in premium, and you see the 10 to 20%, and you're like, wow, that is awesome. So if you guys want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts, my RTK live stream. I'll put it there too if you want to give it a follow, get notified. But once you join and click this link, it'll take you to the free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you're on a Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer or on your phone's browser instead of the app. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. The good stuff is all in the server shop on the top left, and you'll see for an all-time low cost of $12 a month, you guys will be profitable and win over 95% of your trades. I'm telling you, give it time. Give it, I will work my butt off. If you guys are very confused, I'll do the live streams. And over time, you guys are going to be so confident that you'll be placing these trades, getting 10 to 20% in literally a matter of minutes. That is life-changing money. You're going to trade like a pro, guys. This is the one strategy that I think can change a lot of day trading minds. Most day traders barely get around 60% win ratio. This strategy is way up there. It could be 100%, no joke. But I'm going to be very, I'll take the blame on that one. I didn't take the win like I usually do, 10 to 20. I adjusted it. So we'll say we're winning over 95%. Still very high, guys. For $12 a month, do click on this subscribe. Do subscribe on computer to avoid the iOS fee, and you'll have access to all my channels, swings and day trades. You'll see the day trade community, day trade chat, day trade alerts, and the RTK live stream where you can join in and discuss freely. Guys, this is awesome. I just wanted to show this, not to just say, to brag. I'm a very humble person. I want to show you guys this because I want confidence in people. Most traders lose because there's no confidence. They don't trust a system, and they end up going back and be like, oh man, I should have held that. When in reality, we know what's going to happen in this system. We call it the reversions to the mean. We know price has to hit the 20 and the 10. We know that when we're at near the ATR4 in a 5-minute, it's very oversold. And we look for that 1 minute to give us that precise entry. We draw our trend channels. We make sure it looks all nice, and we take the trade. It is not super hard. I think anyone can do it, and you will be a highly profitable trader. And you can really start getting your family out, quitting your 9-to-5 job, and I promise you can travel the world, and I have really high hopes for everyone. I say that with all sincerity. I want everyone to be profitable. Join the Discord, guys. I think you're going to love it.
Give it a chance. It's only $12 a month. If you don't like it, leave. I mean, it's that simple. But I promise you, you're gonna get the best education of your lifetime, and you're gonna love it. I'm gonna work my butt off, guys. Like I said, and let's get you guys profitable. If you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe. We don't care about what the market does. We trade what we see, and that's the awesome strategy about day trading. All right, catch you guys next time.